County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Olfordville, 8 miles southeast of Brodhead, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Milton, Brodhead, Wolfordville, Footville, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, LaGrange, Newark, Tiffany, Showpier, Millard, Avalon, Johnstown Center, Emerald Grove, Hanover, and Epton. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.